Thank you, Mr. Chairman. At the outset,
No, later, please. Yes, last.
at the outset,
Please restrict.
short. I'm happy that such a mega event is going to be hosted by our country. Such events will not only showcase the sporting talents of the country, but will also showcase the culture, the history, and various other aspects of the host country. We are proud that that event is to be held in our country within a short while. Sir, even before the Commonwealth Games starts, our opposition friends want to win a gold. So they make charges based on some newspaper reports, charges based on some of the interim reports presented by various agencies of the government, like the CAG, the CVC, etc. Sir, these agencies are there to give interim reports to the government so that the government could take some correctional measures to rectify the mistakes that are
Honorable
happened.
members, please.
So these reports
Making some points.
should not be used to accuse a government or to make charges against the government. Sir, newspaper reports, as you see, sometimes if we rely more on the newspaper reports, what had happened today will happen. A report on the UK tabloid Sunday Express, sometimes back, was refuted today by a report of the Times of India dated 9/10 today, as of today. So these reports should be brought to the notice of the government to take correctional steps and should not be used to accuse the government or abuse the government making use of these reports. Sir, our dear friend Mr. Kirti Azad, he is a good cricketer. He bowled a short pitch delivery to intimidate the bowler, the batsman,
No, you
the
won't
opponent.
Please,
But
hear this.
it was declared a wide ball. There was no, except one or two charges, he could not make many charges using the reports of the CAG and CVC. At the same time, my request to the honorable members is that it is a great event where about 70 countries, more than 70 countries of the Commonwealth, members, sportsmen from these countries are going to come to our country to show their sporting talent. So at this time, making accusations like this should not hamper the sports itself. That is my request. At the same time, the government should be very careful, sir. I request the government that these observations of the CAG and the CVC should be taken seriously. The government should not be lethargic in considering and correcting and taking correctional steps based on the reports of the CAG and CVC. Finally, sir, my one request to the government is that the group of ministers should be empowered to meet every week until the games are over to see how the game progresses, and I request the honorable ministers here to convey these sentiments to the Prime Minister also and see that the group of ministers are empowered to meet every week. Thank you, sir.
Shri Jaipal.